Morning and welcome back to a new day of daily updates across all of the major dollar pairs. Starting off with DXY on the daily time frame, we can see our break of structure and our current swing range. This is the liquidity low I was looking to take out before we see any upside continuation. If we move down onto the 4-hour time frame, what we can see is we've had a break of structure in towards the downside, and this is our current swing range. We've now come up and we've filled most of this gap within the market. We've made a connection to this supply zone, and I'm waiting for maybe one more drive down. I do think that if we see a peace deal come in over the next few days, as the news broke yesterday, I think that DXY has got a lot of room to move down. I am still favouring the daily liquidity low to get taken before we target the week swing high. So what does this mean for Euro USD? We can see that we are bearish currently on the daily time frame. We are looking for this liquidity high to get taken in line with the dollar bias. We have, though, already taken this liquidity high, which could fuel the next move in towards the downside. If we move down onto the 4-hour, what we can see is we have had a break of structure in towards the upside, and this is our current swing range. We've now liquidated all of these lows, and there is only this low here left on the daily as well to get taken, and then maybe see that drive in towards the upside. At the moment, the immediate momentum is in towards the downside, with this supply zone being in control. So if we go down onto the 1-hour time frame, what we could be looking for is a potential position after our 1-hour breakdown here. This is our swing range. We've not quite liquidated this high, but we have reached the 50 and we have liquidated this high over here. I just don't like the consolidative nature at the moment across all of the dollar pairs. It's not really something I'll be looking to trade. There's not enough momentum here, in my opinion, to start targeting this low. I also think that the risk of news at the moment is just too high, and I don't want to burn my hands. If we move on to GU, what we can see is we've had our daily break of structure in towards the upside, and this is our current swing range. We've liquidated this low over here, and then switched bullish on the lower time frame. Moving down onto the 4-hour, what we can see is we have still got equal lows open over here, which I am expecting to get taken at some point within the near future. Not only this, we've also now switched bearish, so that drive towards these lows is starting to make sense. If we go down onto the 1-hour time frame, what I'll be looking for is a potential break of this low and then get in on the retest. Or if we start seeing some upwards price action, I'll be looking to target these highs over here.